Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Today's video is my spring fashion mood board, and the title of this mood board is Flirting with Spring. Now I opted to debut this spring mood board in the last month of spring due to the fact that I still had some projects left of the previous mood boards, and I just wanted to really try to clean it up a little. So I have 4 items on my spring fashion mood board. My fashion inspiration this time around is the fashion Runway, the spring summer collection of 2019. And there are a few designers that I really liked their show. So one of the designers is Oscar de la Renta. I liked a coat from him, and that is right on the bottom right. I think it's a yellow coat. The coat from Oscar de la Renta is also from a lookbook, and it's called Deluxe. Then there is this pantsuit. So I have 3 pictures of pantsuit. Those are from Ralph Lauren, and it is from the lookbook Resort of 2019. Now there were 2 coats which are a little more on top, colorful coats. I feel like it's more of a kimono style coat, and those I saw on this website called Chicokay. I see them all over Pinterest, so those really caught my eye. And there was this dress that I really liked from Reem Acra. Do check out her website. I'm going to link it right here, but I'm also going to put it in the description box. So I already gave you a little of the items that I'm going to make. So it's definitely going to be a dress, a pantsuit, and a kimono style coat. The patterns are going to be taken out of the Burda and out of the Naaitrends. The dress is definitely going to be a hack because I'm seeing different things in it, but I can't find one particular dress pattern to fit that. For the blazer, I'm going to use the same magazine as last time, where I took the pants out of, and that is November 2018, pattern number 117, and I believe the blazer, it has to be pattern number 119. The kimono style coat, now I do like what they have here. The last, let's say, Naaitrends magazine number 7 had a lot of blazer, trench coats, capes, coats, and so I definitely saw something that I thought I might have to hack it, but I might not. I'm going to think about it. The fabrics, I got a fabric of the fabric fair 2019 close to my town. And another fabric is from stoffe.net, which is based in Germany. And my go-to favorite online store is driezestoffe.nl. Well, that's it, you guys. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and have a great day. Bye.